Thus says the Lord, when Biafra will be restored and announced officially. What I saw, what God told me, what God showed me. Many highways, many roads, many waterways shall be tightly blocked. Many of them will be cut off in order to hinder both human and vehicular movement from other parts of Nigeria to the eastern or the Biafran regions. Earlier prophecy I gave, as I'm giving this one now, it is what the Lord has told me and shown to me. Don't doubt. I saw flights. Several flights were cancelled. Flights were cancelled. Aircraft were grounded. I did not see any commercial or private aircraft in the sky, apart from the few Air Force and military or armed forces bombardier aircraft that were allowed to fly in the sky in operation to hinder unauthorized flights, both land